In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics dashboard. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have a personal dashboard that's customized to your needs. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Analytics portal. If you haven't already bookmarked it, just type in Google Analytics into your browser's search bar and it should pop right up. Once you're on the Google Analytics webpage, locate the Sign into Analytics option and click on it. This step will take you straight to the login page. If you don't have a Google account yet, this is a good time to create one, as you need it to access Google Analytics. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics homepage. Here you can see a variety of options ranging from current data reports to customization tabs. For where we're heading today, find and click on the Explore tab. This section is where all the analytics magic happens, enabling you to dig deeper into your data. Next, look for the option labelled Create a New Exploration and give that a click. This is your sandbox for building a new dashboard and exploring your data to the fullest. It may initially seem a bit overwhelming with all the tools at your fingertips, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the essentials. Once you're in the exploration ground, you can start tailoring your dashboard by selecting the specific data and metrics relevant to you or your business. Consider what metrics are most meaningful for your goals, maybe tracking website traffic, user engagement, or conversion rates. The interface allows you to drag and drop these elements into your exploration canvas. Customizing the dashboard to highlight these insights can provide instant visual updates on your performance at a glance. Spend some time tinkering around to find the combination that tells the story you need. Don't be afraid to experiment. Google Analytics gives you plenty of freedom to adapt these spaces to suit your unique objectives. And there you have it, a personalized Google Analytics dashboard crafted to cater to your needs. You've now created a centralized location for your key data points that's easy to access and understand. Remember that the analytics landscape is continually evolving, and your dashboard can evolve with it. As your goals shift or expand, return to this space and modify your structure to maintain relevance. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful, and feel free to leave any questions or insights in the comments below. Enjoy exploring your analytics.